I think most of you have already seen the full review of the Qubo mobile gimbal on this channel. In this video, I'm sharing the complete details about the Qubo gimbal settings, app features and more. First, let's see how to install the app on mobile. This Qubo Pro mobile app is available for both Android and iOS devices. After downloading, you need to create an account in this app to use it. Then attach the mobile to the gimbal like this, followed by turning on the Bluetooth. Now turn on the gimbal. In the app, go to devices, then search and select this gimbal. After that, click on the pair option. If in case you want, you can change the gimbal name here. Now click on the continue button. That's all. Your mobile and gimbal are connected perfectly. To open the camera interface in the app, click here on this gimbal image. This is the camera interface. In this app, a lot of features are there. First, let's start with the calibration. For this, you need to go to settings and then select the calibration option. Here, two options are available. Select the first option and mind that after selecting the option, you don't move the gimbal to the side or left. Place the gimbal in a flat place like a table. If any deviation is there for the base means it results in bad calibration. The app automatically completes the calibration. You don't need to do anything apart from waiting. After completing the first option, use the second option only if in case the horizontal position is not good. If it is good means no need to select this option. This is all about the calibration. Now let's see the different modes in this app. At present it is in video mode. Now it's photo mode. Next is slow motion mode, then video, after that time lapse and hyperlapse mode. In this mode you can select FPV, sports, walking, etc. options. The options in this app are very simple and clear. Mainly, we focus on the video mode rather than the photo because almost everyone buys the gimbal for video shooting purpose only. Like the default options in different mobile camera apps, in this one also you can control exposure, focus point, etc. On the top left side, Bluetooth connection and battery status will be shown in the app. On the right top, there are options like flash control, hand gestures, which means with the help of your hand, you can start or stop the video recording. Below that, the timer option is there. Not only these, if you observe the bottom, there are some options like person tracking, object tracking, face tracking, and even tracking during the live stream. These features will take this gimbal to the next level. If in case you want to change the video resolution in any mode, just click the settings gear icon on the bottom, then select camera setting. Here you can change the video resolution. In my mobile it is showing the 4K option too because this mobile is supported for that. If in case your mobile is not supported for 4K resolution, then this option is not visible to you. The next one is joystick settings. I mean the big dial which is there on the gimbal. This option is about to increase or decrease the movement while you are using the joystick. Three options are there for this. Those are slow, medium and fast. The below options are pan reverse and tilt reverse. In simple words, they react to the opposite of how you move the joystick. These are the main features of the app. Even the gallery option is also there in the app. Of course, these are also available in your default mobile gallery app. Now, let's see how to control the gimbal buttons. If in case you want to change the mobile orientation, you can do it by pressing this button one time. The next one is the joystick button, which I have already shown to you. This is useful for panning and moving left and right. By pressing this left side button, you can change some settings which are also available in the app too. On the right side, there is a slider is there which acts as a zoom in or out slider. If you observe closely, on the top of each button, some dots and notifies are there. These are the guides to what happens if you press the button 1, 2 or 3 times. If you use this gimbal for some time, you can only understand what are these options. On the bottom, there are 4 LED lights are there, which is an indication of the gimbal battery. On the left side of the gimbal, there is a Type-C slot is there for charging and there is no Type-A slot is there in this gimbal. On the back, there is a button is there that helps to shift the camera from front to back or vice versa. That's the video all about the Qubo gimbal features and app features. If in case you want to see the full review along with the unboxing and video samples, click this video. If you are planning to buy this gimbal, in the description box I provided the affiliate links of this one. If you click that link and buy anything from that, I get some commission that it helped me a lot to review more products and gadgets like this in future. Thanks in advance for clicking the link and buying anything from that. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care and keep supporting this channel.